This is the Daily Outlook 3A. This is probably the only one because we're not seeing any active weather patterns going on, so this will probably be the only one. That's what it's been like so far. And we're seeing another dense fog area. I don't know what's been with dense fog lately, but we've had quite a bit going on in the Midwest, especially in Missouri. This is the Springfield, Missouri National Weather Service. Look, almost all the counties visible on this map has the dense fog advisory. We'll click here at Springfield. Let's see. We'll take a look at different visibilities here. At Springfield, there was fog and mist. Visibility was 3/4 of a mile. Pretty dense fog. So, click at Lebanon, Missouri. Their visibility is even lower. It says overcast, but it must be mixing with fog because the visibility is less than 1/4 of a mile, 0.15 hundredths of a mile. Look at that, that's very low. Osage Beach. We're just taking a look right here. And they're about well, that's the same airport, so that doesn't really matter. Rolla, Missouri. They're the same thing, less than 1/4 of a mile. So we're seeing a lot of dense fog lately. So this area is seeing very heavy fog. If you go up into central Illinois, here, okay, I'm in Lincoln, not Pontiac today, and we are under a dense fog advisory. And our visibility is higher than the Lebanon, Missouri, and all those areas. It's 2.5 miles is our visibility in the Logan County Airport. And in my hometown, or current town, Pontiac, we're seeing visibilities of 1 3/4 of a mile. However, they don't have a dense fog advisory, just a short-term forecast. So, that's locally. Now we're going to go to other areas. Well, otherwise, we are not seeing much active weather patterns. The only thing we're concerning right now is up here in the North Carolina area, South Carolina area. We are experiencing this non-tropical, well, it's tropical system. It's not like a cyclone, but it's like it developed last night and it's over the Carolinas, part of it is. And hopefully this does not really organize that fast. If it has time to organize, but it has to organize it will have to organize a lot if it was to become a cyclone. So we'll take a look at the special weather statement and see what they have to say. Showers will spread inland over the North Carolina coastal plain through 9 a.m. Precipitation may be heavy at times, and rainfall amounts may reach 1/2 inch in heaviest downpour. So we're not a huge concern, it doesn't look like, but yeah, look at Hurricane Discussion 3A, and that will tell you about the system. One more thing, still in the Wisconsin area, we are under an air quality alert. This is the Wisconsin Dells area. Click on it. So, and they're also experiencing some fog as well. This is Wisconsin Dells. A half a mile is the visibility right now. So they're experiencing some fog out there. And it looks like they're supposed to be having fog till Tuesday night. So today, fog before 9 a.m., then it begins after 1 a.m., dissipates at 9 a.m., and then it starts again. So, a lot of fog out here. That's the only that's basically the biggest thing out here. River-wise, that looks like a misread. Down here in Texas, we got a major flood gauge. A gauge showing major flooding. Let's go check it out. It's Bridgeport. Yeah, it's a little misread. The gauge is malfunctioning. As you can see, we had one jump up here. And then we got 2 readings up here in the major flood, and it was normally down here. Little misread. Hopefully we'll get that fixed. Up here, basically the only flooding we're concerning is the James River in South Dakota. Again, is still flooding. Sorry if my screen gets a little fuzzy. My camera doesn't do well with LED screens. I don't know why, but it's just like that. So, just experiencing some flooding here. It's basically gone down in most areas, so not a big threat. And that concludes, well, wait. One more. Check the severe weather. Doesn't look too bad. Let's see what areas could see. This area that says C text, that area could see some strong thunderstorms. Not a big concern, though. That concludes this video.